There are some places that just call to your soul. Places that whisper tales and challenge you to meet their grandeur. It is no ordinary trek. It's a path that demands respect, weaving through dense forests, over slippery rocks, and across challenging inclines. Every step was a negotiation with the mountain, a test of will and grit. We carried not just weary bodies, but renewed spirits. It isn't just a mountain you climb, it's an experience that carves itself into your memory. It reminds you of your own strength, the beauty of the natural world, and the incredible feeling of conquering not just a peak, but your own limits. The summit. There's a profound silence up there, broken only by the wind and the beating of your own triumphant heart. It's not just about reaching the top, it's about the journey that transforms you along the way.